Hi, mates. My name is Mitchell. I'm a fashion tutor, and you're welcome to another pattern drafting video. To determine the length of the cones you'll be cutting, measure the full length of the sleeve, excluding joining allowance and hemming allowance. Divide whatever you get by the number of cones you want. For instance, if the full length of the sleeve is 25 inches and you want 5 cones, that means the length of each cone will be 5 inches. Add 1 inch to the 5 inches. Half inch will serve as sewing allowance, and the other half inch I will show you what we do with it later. Fold your pattern paper like this once. Measure the 6 inches round. We are going to cut a half circle. Cut double. One will serve as the lining and the main fabric. Looking at the picture, they used ankara on top and satin inside, so you cut ankara and satin and use the satin as the lining. It should look like this when you open it. We'll fold it like this and sew. Before that, I'll cut a second one. After cutting the second one, iron interfacing, the one they call collar stay, to only the ankara fabric. When you place right sides facing each other and sew round, you leave half inch allowance for turning. After turning, you iron it so that it will be flat. This is how you will sew. You will sew round and leave half inch for turning it. Assuming you're done joining them, next you're going to place them like this. Remember, ankara is on top, alright, while the satin is inside, so you place them together like this. And so yes, the sewing allowance will be on the outside, on the ankara side. That's how it should be. It shouldn't be on the inside where the satin is. The inner one should be very neat. After sewing on the outside, remember, you're going to place it like this. Remember the half inch we left on top for joining. Use your hand needle to hold it down on top only. Take the second one and place it on top of the first one, half inch on top of the first one. Remember the half inch, I told you that I'll show you what we will do with it. Each coin, you place it half inch on top of the one on top. Use your hand needle and sew it down. Then you bring the third one and place it on top of the second one, half inch inside. Do the same with the fourth and fifth cone. Remember, I keep saying you sew it down on the top, but when you get to the fifth one, you sew it down on the top and also on the bottom. Your thread shouldn't be too visible. The inside should be very neat. If there is something you want me to explain more, let me know in the comment section. Leave your questions in the comment section. Join my family by subscribing, and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.